And good afternoon. We just want to bring you an update. I know you've been seeing a lot as far as winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. So we wanted to bring you an update on what's going to be happening now. Welcome to the Weather Center. This is Chief Meteorologist Kurt Aaron. We're going to be talking location. This is all about location with this storm. I want to go back to those watches and warnings that we were just talking about. There you go. Notice eastern Pennsylvania under that winter storm warning. Central Pennsylvania, not much happening out in the Williamsport area and those places. Let's go ahead and jump to the radar and we'll start off with the close-up. It's spotty showers. In our backyard so far this afternoon, we've had just spotty light rain showers, a couple of flurries, but that's about it. You can see that's the case out in central Pennsylvania as well. We can go ahead and zoom in here and you can see the blues, the whites changing over to the greens. That's the Susquehanna Valley. It's niching out right there. Williamsport, Hughesville also showing some spotty light rain showers. Back this out. Come up even into the northern tier. This is spotty light rain and snow showers. And this will be what we're encountering throughout the day. Now, real quickly, just to recap what's going on, we have a primary low, which is just to our northwest. And we've seen this movie numerous times this winter. And that primary low, see it spinning counterclockwise right out there. Here's the low. I'm going to just put an X on it right there. And as this low sits and spins, it's going to work its way to the east, but there's also going to be an area of low pressure that's going to be forming, and I'll show you with the X right here, right along the coast. Now, how far east and south of us this forms will impact how much snow we get, but I can just give you an idea with future clouds and radar. And again, I'm inside the weather office, so we're doing everything manually here, so just bear with me. And here we go. Let's go ahead and back it up. Now, as that primary low continues to move east, we're going to see these scattered spotty snow and rain showers. We're not expecting much accumulating snow here this afternoon. Could get a dusting, maybe an inch in a few spots, but that would be mainly our northern tier in eastern Pennsylvania. Now, as we go through Tuesday, that's when we see eastern Pennsylvania, see those darker blues, Montrose down to Scranton, down to Jim Thorpe. So that's the area where we may see some higher numbers, especially in the elevated spots. So we're going to watch for that. I want to show you when we talk about snowfall totals. Over the weekend, you know, Valerie did a fantastic job bringing you updates and giving you the latest information. But like with all storms, it can evolve, and we're seeing that evolution of some lower totals. So here's what I'm showing you. This is hot off the press this afternoon. These are snowfall totals for the Williamsport area. Look at that, showing less than an inch of snow in the Susquehanna Valley. Now let's come into the Wyoming Valley. Now we start seeing higher numbers. And again, it's all about location and where that second low is. We're going to be talking anywhere from maybe 2 to 5. And then obviously extreme eastern Pennsylvania. Here's a compilation of the models showing a 5 to 8. So that's why we've adjusted the snowfall map just a little bit. We haven't, changed it a whole lot. I know over the weekend they had 6 to 8 there in the extreme eastern Pennsylvania. We're still looking at 8 as our highest total, but we've downplayed it just a little bit, that 6 down to 4, so we're looking at a 4 to 8. And then notice the quick drop-off between the Wyoming Valley, maybe that 2 to 5, down to a trace or 2, especially out in central Pennsylvania. I just showed you all the numbers. Now, if that changes, we'll continue to update you on that and let you know. But that's a general overview of what's going to be happening over the next 48 hours. This is a longer storm. Most storms, they're in, 5, 10 hours and they're out. This one looks like we're going to be dealing, because there's 2 components to it, the primary low and the coastal low. So just to give you headlines here before we close out. Spotty rain and snow showers today, accumulating snow, and the wind picks up tonight, and that storm leaves on Wednesday, so it's still going to be windy. I want to show you these peak wind gusts, or no, these are steady wind speeds rather, for tomorrow. Look at that. I backpedal it. There's 11, 1, 2, showing that steady 20-mile-an-hour wind, 18 to 20 miles an hour. Look at our peak wind gusts. Valley cities, where we normally see those lower numbers, we're talking peak wind gusts over 30 miles an hour tomorrow, starting tonight into tomorrow. And then look at our hilltops. So there you go. We're looking at possibly peak wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. So just to recap, weather headlines, we got those spotty rain and snow showers today, not going to be that big of an issue. Again, accumulating snow moving in later tonight into tomorrow, and then that wind will really pick up as well. So We certainly don't want to deal with any power outages as that storm pulls away and those strong winds come through. So we're tracking all of this. Just wanted to take a few minutes out here this afternoon, bring you the latest update. Again, not much happening today. The winds and the snow will pick up tonight, and it's primarily over eastern Pennsylvania. So you folks in central Pennsylvania will have the wind, just not nearly as much snow. Thanks for tuning in. We'll continue to update you. More to come on Newswatch 16 at 4. We'll see you then.